I want to take you back to the good old days. Do you remember your mother's house? The Italian custom, the plastic on the couch? Everything had plastic. Everything was not to be used. If the couch was 25 years old, it had to look new. Do you remember the kitchen? Where was the kitchen? Where did they do all the frying and all the cooking? In the basement. In the basement, and would carry all the food upstairs. And Sunday dinners, that was a big deal. We would have the antipasta, the first course, the second course, sit at the table all day, laugh and talk. And then after dinner would be the cannolis and the sfogliatelles. And my father would love his espresso Italian coffee, which I made for him every night with a piece of lemon since I was a little girl. And my father-in-law, when I met that family, he loved his wine with the peaches in it. Do you remember that? All the frying, like I said, and all the cooking was done in the basement, but done with so much love. My grandma, her famous thing was her pasta, homemade pasta. She'd put the sheet out on her bed. She'd make all the fettuccine and lay it out. We'd walk into her house on a holiday, and especially like Easter or Christmas, and you could just smell the delicious food. Till today, can you still smell your grandma and your mom's food? I bet you can. And Easter time, that was a special holiday. We would all wear the little toppers. All the cousins, we would share the toppers. We'd pass them around. We always had an Easter hat and a pocketbook and our either white or black patent leather shoes. Do you remember that? The little Mary Janes? Everything means so much. And today it's so different. But years ago, everything was great. We'd go to church every Sunday. We couldn't eat before church because we had to wait because we had to get communion, receive communion, so you couldn't eat before. When we left for church, I'd be smelling the aroma of the sauce. It was just a wonderful experience. Oh, and if you got sick, oh my God, the doctor would come to the house. For $10 was the visit. But you know what my mother would do? Yeah, she would call the doctor, but the night before, she'd put garlic in our ears. If we had an ear infection or a cold, the garlic went in the ears, and it worked. It really, really worked. And in the morning, when we had our milk delivered, we can hear the bottles clanging, and the milk box would open up and shut. My father would go to work in the winter. He'd put the chains on the tires. We didn't have those kind of tires that they have today. We were the first to have the color TV. We were the first to have the central air. Everything we did in our life was the first. Today, the generation is different. It's moving fast. They're taking